guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I want to discuss what is crowd computer and how you can benefit from it. So if you are interested in this, watch this video till the end. Let's start. Crowd Machine's crowd computer, a global dApp execution engine, seeks to empower everyone to create dApps. It's designed to execute smart contracts and dApps of any requirement by anyone, even those with no coding experience.
The crowd computer is a P2P network of crowd virtual machines which run on peer devices. Owners of the devices are compensated for donating surplus processing power to run CVM. Crowd Machine has tested its technology in collaboration with Fortune 500 companies such as General Electric, AON Hewitt, Cone, and Anthem.
How Crowd Machine works. Crowd Machine consists of decentralized peer-to-peer network computer called the crowd computer. The crowd computer is distributed on the Crowd Machine's community mobile devices and computers where each device on the network functions to execute decentralized apps. Built into the crowd computer is a highly capable blockchain and decentralized app builder technology called the Crowd App Studio.
Crowd App Studio allows developers and non-developers to build decentralized apps that run on the crowd computer. Crowd App Studio is easy to use, functionally rich, and enables the creation of decentralized apps to meet any requirement. Additionally, blockchain smart contracts can be created to meet the most demanding requirements. Apps can be created using Crowd App Studio and deployed to the crowd computer. Crowd Machine enables off-chain apps to be created that are blockchain agnostic.
The Crowd App Studio has access to CrowdShare, a library of reusable source code the community has created. CrowdShare speeds up decentralized app development even further. Community members can add source code to CrowdShare and be paid for its use every time the code is run on the network. Paucity of developers.
Demand for decentralized apps driven by the blockchain buzz is outpacing creation, which means that despite immense potential, dApps are struggling to replace existing centralized models. Insufficiency of skillful developers is evidenced by the dearth of solid developers to create and sustain current demand. Crowd Machine's App Studio provides a fast and cheap recourse even for those who lack coding knowledge but understand logic and rule-based processes. This will enable anyone with new and existing ideas to create apps without being confronted by any barriers to entry.
Another notable limitation is memory and processing capacity. Crowd Machine's crowd computer solves this by creating a peer-to-peer network of computers which leverages global device capacity to power the execution of dApps. Device owners are paid for contributing processing capacity to the network. Crowd computer.
Crowd computer network consists of two types of P2P nodes: activity contributing nodes and agoric nodes. Individuals contribute to the network by allowing their devices or computational resources, which are referred to as activity contributing nodes. Agoric is the name of distributed computer methodology for optimizing workload distribution and allocation of resources. Agoric consensus aims to provide a uniform, Byzantine-tolerant, secure landscape for exchange of resources.
Agoric nodes form a federation with the purpose of signing blocks to advance consensus of the network. They maintain and update network topology of ACNs, route generation requests to appropriate ACN based on resource requirement and resolve payment channels. ACN connects to the network via non-public internet addresses associated with the Agoric federation. The network allocates work to the ACN under conditions where an app's requirement is met by an ACN. Crowd Virtual Machine.
CVMs are responsible for executing the pattern defining an app. A pattern is a set of activities that instruct the CVM in its function to produce the desired app outcome. An app can be executed across many CVMs acting in unison to deliver the defined functionality. By utilizing the computation power from billions of devices, CVM creates a new paradigm in decentralized distributed computing which allows scalability, no single point of authority, and reduced cost compared to current models.
An app requested is distributed to CVM. Once accepted, the CVM initializes its state, loads activity data, and executes defined instructions. To achieve maximum activity throughput, activity definitions are held in memory to be immediately executed upon request. Crowd App Studio.
The Crowd App Studio allows app features and functions to be drawn as logic diagrams, enabling fast and easy creation of apps, consequently allowing a larger community of developers to participate and accelerate app delivery. Developers can model behaviors as patterns rather than writing code. Patterns are diagrammic representation of logic app per app requirement composed of one or more abstract types known as an activity. These activities can be linked to each other using if-then-else logic, and the pathway of runtime execution can be defined.
Crowd App Studio contains a forms design environment which allows creation of any look and feel and supports responsive design against specific device resolutions. Agnostic blockchain support. By creating an app using Crowd Machine, developers have the freedom to quickly migrate their app across blockchain. Crowd Machine will release functionality to facilitate rapid creation of smart contracts without coding, which is compatible with the Ethereum blockchain. CrowdShare.
CrowdShare is a source repository enabling commercialization of source code by developers. Developers can monetize their dApps in an open marketplace, dramatically accelerating delivery of apps. Crowd Machine sets aside a share of the revenue generated by customers to compensate the developer for the lifetime of the app's use. Crowd Machine team: Craig Sproul, founder and CEO, Kurt Flugger, CSO, Ben Gorlick, CTO, Gavin Glenn, back-end developer, and Michael Graham, full-stack developer.
Crowd Machine ICO detail. Crowd Machine has created a whitelist for its pending token sale. Successful acceptance to the whitelist will guarantee you the ability to participate in the CMT sale. Crowd Machine verdict.
There's no question that a dearth of developers is hampering creation of dApps capable of transformative impact. The possibility of developing apps to specification without coding knowledge allows anyone to harness their intellect and design apps. Further, it has potential to accelerate adoption of decentralized apps by reducing reliance on scarce resources and allowing developers to keep pace with market demands.
So friends, that is all for now, but for further details you can use the links below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ask me your questions. I will always answer you. Thank you very much and bye!